Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. We have another surprise video that I wasn't expecting to film today, but I had to get it out there as soon as possible. Now, most of you have probably heard of TrendMood. It is a website that posts all the latest beauty trends, all the latest products that are coming out in skincare, makeup, all those types of things. Well, they have put out a box. Now, they have specifically said that it's not a subscription box, but it is a box that they're going to put out every once in a while. And it retails for $39.99. So I did happen to get the first box. I just ordered it maybe 2 or 3 days ago, and it's already here. So I had to open it for you. It looks like this. Already ready to go, and I just couldn't wait to get it open for you guys. So we're gonna see what's inside. Leave in the comments below how many of you knew about this box. I don't think a lot of people knew about it. I just happened to be scrolling down TrendMood to see what was coming out and saw that they were putting out a box, and I was like, ooh, let me get on that waiting list. And then I got the email just a couple days ago, and they said, hey, you want the box? And I was like, well, yes I do, TrendMood, thank you. So let's see if we can get this thing open here. Oh, look how beautifully packaged that is. Oh, so nice. Purple. It's like they knew that was my favorite color. Oh wait, TrendMood has always been purple. Oh well, let's just enjoy it, shall we? Ripping up the beautiful purple paper. And we got these things right here. We got New Truth Daily Cleanser ad. I'm assuming that something by this company is going to be in the box. Feeling extra thirsty, something else that's probably going to be in the box. Something from Bite Cosmetics apparently is going to be in the box. And a whole cheat sheet of things going to be in the box. Awesome. So let's not look at all that stuff. Let's just see what's in the box. Ole Henriksen Truth Juice Daily Cleanser. And if I am correct, I do not believe that this is quite on the market yet. I think that the people that got this box are going to be some of the first ones to get to try that. So I am actually very, very excited about this. It says cleanses and removes makeup with orange fruit water and PHA. So this is a daily cleanser. Let's open it up this for you. Looks like this. Very excited to try that. All right, next thing in the box is by the same company. It is Ole Henriksen Sea Crush Brightening Double Cream. Oh, it looks like this. It smells like a creamsicle. It smells delicious. Oh, that's gonna be like heaven putting that on my skin. I cannot wait. Let's see, facial moisturizer, 3 sources of vitamin C, and shea butter. The next thing in the box is from Bite Beauty. It is one of their lip crayons in the shade, oh, that's for people that got way better eyesight than I do, in the shade Pavlova. It is a very vampy shade. I'll swatch that for you. Very pretty though. That is very buttery. I'm very excited to try that on my lips if I didn't already have this beautiful shade. This is the Jeffree Star Mystery shade, by the way. Looks very much like Poinsettia, but the formula is a little different. It's a little more matte on the lips. It's not quite as sticky as Poinsettia is. INN Beauty Project Glaze Lip Oil for soft, plump, and supple lips. Wow, that is a crazy looking applicator. Can you guys see that? Look at that. It smells delicious. It smells like a cherry Jolly Rancher. For soft, plump, and supple lips. Plump, hydrate, and smooth. Excited to try that. We have just a couple more things in the box. LC Beauty. It is the Velvet Sponge. It is a beauty sponge. And whoa. Whoa, look at that. Whoa, that is a very, very unique looking sponge. We shan't say what it looks like, but I'm sure you guys have very good imaginations. But what is interesting about this sponge is that it's got a very, very fine tip. So it could help to get into the creases. Like if you're trying to make very unique, intricate looks, get into the creases there and get very intricate parts of your face without messing up the rest of your makeup. So it feels very, very nice. It feels like it'll absorb water very well. So I am excited to try this. One last thing in the box. Well, there's two more things in the box. One more beauty product left in the box. And it is a mini palette from... It is a mini palette from Natasha Denona. It is the Mini Tropic palette. From what I understand, I don't think there's any variants in these boxes. I think that all the boxes are the same, but they do sell out, so it's first come, first serve. This is quite heavier than what I expected. It's got a nice, heavy plastic, almost feels like glass. The shade range looks like this. We got the shades Mint Frost, Exotic, Laguna, Tiger Lily, and Xena. I'll swatch these on my fingers for you. Now, Natasha Denona is a very luxe brand. Look at how pigmented those are. Wow. Some of her larger palettes, they cost the same as Pat McGrath. They're like in the $125, $150, something like that. Very, very, very expensive eyeshadow. So this is the first anything from Natasha Denona I've tried. So I am excited to check out her formula. Wow. Look at how they just swatch. First go. Super, super pigmented. And still have a lot on my fingers. Very, very good. There is one more thing in the box. It is not a makeup product. It is just a fortune cookie. So let's see what our fortune is. Right in time for the new year. Hopefully it says nothing but good things. Hopefully it says I will be a millionaire. Let's see what it says. It just says Happy Holidays from TrendMood. Oh well, I'm sure you guys can imagine. Anyways, that's all that's in the box. Thanks for sticking with me for another unboxing. That's all I have for you guys. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.